guys, welcome to Desi Girl Traveler and welcome to yet another episode from Sri Lanka. Today I have reached one of the most charming coastal towns in Sri Lanka. It's called Galle. On one side of the town you have this Galle Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and on the other side of it you have the cutesy cafes, beautiful beaches, so much culture, history and a lot more. So in this vlog I'm gonna be exploring every aspect of Galle, right from the culture to its history to the cafes, shopping, nearby beaches and lot more. So stay tuned and let's start exploring Galle. I am already so in love with the vibe of this town. This is definitely my kind of place. Quiet.
Hi.
Hey, you're from here?
Sri Lanka.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Tarini.
Tarini.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lovely name. I'm Priyanka from India.
Happy to see you.
Thank you. Happy to see you too. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day. Before I go ahead with anything, I do have to say this. The people of Sri Lanka, they are absolute gold. So today is my 5th day in Sri Lanka and I have met such amazing bunch of people. Like इतनी अच्छी उनकी vibe है, they are so helpful. So वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको ये तो बता दूँ कि मैं यहाँ तक पहुँची कैसे हूँ कोलंबो से. So let me take you guys back to my journey from Colombo to Galle. Alright guys, so मैं पहुँच गई हूँ अभी Makumbura bus stand पे. From here I'm gonna get the bus to Galle and it's 1.5 hours journey. Check out the bus stop. This is the bus stand, Makumbura bus stand in Colombo. Okay, so I have boarded the bus from Colombo to Galle. This is amazing. So I'm walking inside Galle Fort and it's a huge fort built by the Dutch people to protect this city. यहाँ पे कोई entry ticket तो नहीं है, as such you can walk freely and then inside it there are many streets. अगर आप आराम से घूमना चाहो तो यहाँ पे आपको 3-4 घंटे लग जाएंगे. You can take a walk inside the fort, explore the streets, check out the cafes और शाम को Galle Fort पे बैठ के बहुत अच्छा sunset enjoy कर सकते हो. तो मैं ये सब करूँगी one by one.
Galle Fort is literally a place where time stands still. A beautiful mix of history, ocean breeze and slow living. Located on Sri Lanka's southern coast about 2 hours from Colombo, this UNESCO World Heritage Site was first built by the Portuguese in the 1500s, later rebuilt by the Dutch in the 1600s and finally ruled by the British. Each of these empires left behind a piece of their world here. From cobblestone streets and colonial villas to ancient churches and the pastel houses. All of them carry echoes of a colonial past wrapped in tropical warmth. You will find Dutch-style villas, British street names and Portuguese churches all existing side by side with local Sri Lankan life. As an Indian traveler visiting Galle for the first time, this town felt both foreign and familiar. The sun, the sea, the colonial stories all reminded me of home, yet in a different language. The tropical heat, the coastal energy and even the smiles of locals made it feel like a laid-back version of Fort Kochi. It was like stepping into a chapter of shared history, one that connects us through time and trade. Today, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a vibrant fusion of cultures. The vibe is slow, artistic, and deeply soulful. It's a place meant for walking, for soaking in stories, and for letting the sea wind guide your day. Inside the fort, every lane feels like a postcard. You will find pastel houses, street art, boutique cafes, and little shops selling handmade jewelry, clothes, spices, and vintage collectibles. For food lovers, there's plenty to explore. Galle is perfect for those who love culture, art, and sea views with a slow rhythm. The best time to visit Galle is between November and April. When the weather is sunny, skies are clear, and the sea looks like pure turquoise. Expect warm days, salt in the air, and a sense of calm that stays with you long after you have left.
Finally, I have entered a place where I can see a lot of cafes and restaurants, and it's quite nice here. So when I was walking here from my hostel to Golf Fort, a lot of these tuk-tuk guys were trying to scam me. Like every 10 steps, there was somebody telling me that, oh, there is nothing inside Golf Fort, I'll take you outside and it's 1 hour and you can pay me 2,000 Sri Lankan rupees, blah, blah, blah. This is a gorgeous location. यहाँ से आपको समंदर का व्यू देखने को मिलता है. It's like evening time. बादल लग रहे हैं. It's actually beautiful. When I was watching the pictures of Galle before coming here, I was already very excited about it because I knew that this is my kind of vibe. Historical, colonial, although not a nice thing. But मुझे ऐसी जगह बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है जहाँ पे पहले पोर्चुगीज़ थे, डच लोग थे, क्योंकि आर्किटेक्चर वो लोग काफ़ी अच्छे बनाते हैं, whatever it is. So yeah, I wanted to see that and the vibe is good. वैसे सेफ्टी वाइज इट्स वेरी सेफ टू वॉक. हाँ, ओनली थिंग इज़ पीपल विल ट्राई टू स्कैम यू. मतलब मैं जब सेफ्टी की बात करती हूँ ना, मेरा मेजर कंसर्न होता है that somebody should not be staring at me. Like as a woman you will understand. अगर आप बंदी हो तो समझ जाओगे मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ, बंदे हो तो शायद नहीं समझोगे, बट कोशिश करना समझने की. ओके, सो जब मैं सेफ्टी की बातें करती हूँ ना, दैट इज़ माई प्राइम थिंग विच आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट. उस तरह की प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे नहीं है. पीपल विल ट्राई टू स्कैम यू. बेसिकली द टुक गाइज वो बोलेंगे इतने पैसे दे दो, यहाँ घुमा दूँगा, वहाँ घुमा दूँगा. तो उससे आपको बचना है until unless you really want to get looted. Otherwise it's all safe. It's really amazing. घूमते घूमते वॉक करते करते पहुँच गई. बेसिकली दिस अ पेडलर स्ट्रीट या डच स्ट्रीट, जो भी बोलो, जिसके लिए गॉल काफ़ी फेमस है. So this street is called Leiban Street and इसके आगे ही जाके you have Peddler Street. Somehow this is giving me Fort Kochi vibe और काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है शाम के टाइम पे. I'm seeing a beautiful sunset here, guys. Golf Fort से sunset देखना, it's one of the most popular things in Galle. इस वाले स्ट्रीट से मैं अभी बाहर निकल के आई हूँ. You see the kites and look at this. What a gorgeous sunset. There is no way in this world I can convey this feeling like what exactly I'm feeling in this moment, guys. I'm not looking at the most gorgeous sunsets, but I'm feeling the most gorgeous sunsets of my life. Matlab, I don't know how can I explain this. You are in a new country all by yourself. Of course, it's not too far from India, but still you are new here. And then you are just sitting on a random spot, enjoying the sunset. It's amazing. But I have to say this, when I was searching for videos on YouTube about Galle in Sri Lanka, I did not find any of the Indian YouTuber. So I'm assuming कोई बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे आया नहीं है या फिर किसी ने वीडियो बनाई नहीं है. And I'm questioning why. It's so beautiful. I'm sure श्रीलंका में और भी बहुत सारे amazing places हैं, सुंदर सुंदर जगह होंगी. But Galle is also equally beautiful. ये vibe ना. guys, so I wanted to have dinner and this is what I'm eating. It's a big pizza. First proper meal of the day. Hi! Yeah, so I met Nuria in the hostel. We are sharing the room. It generally tastes so fresh and good. India के price में just pizza is 850 or something, but I guess for the taste and the ambience, it's really good. I entered a store here in Gaul and वैसे तो सारी चीज़ें मोस्टली लोकल्स हैं या ब्रांड रिप्लिका है बट अच्छी है शॉपिंग एंड इफ़ यू जस्ट वांट टू पिक समथिंग फ्रॉम श्रीलंका यू कैन आई रियली लाइक दिस कैप आई डोंट नो हाउ इट्स लुकिंग कुछ 1500 श्रीलंकन रुपये आई थिंक 500 रुपये कुछ पड़ेगा इसका Something about this cap, it reminds me of Mohit Chauhan. This looks like I'm going for some horse race or polo ground. You know, a rich, sophisticated wife. You know, it's giving me that kind of vibe. Hey you guys, good morning. Today is my second day in Gaul and I am going to the nearby beaches. Tahangama, there's Velingama. So आज मैं beach tour करूँगी. It's 8 o'clock right now. There are two options. We can either go by bus or we can take a train. So that's the train station of Gaul. I saw like walkable distance from my hostel. Okay, so आज ट्रेन है नहीं क्योंकि एक हॉलीडे है आज तो हम ट्रेन बाद में ट्राई करेंगे. Let's go and board a bus. बस स्टेशन भी यहाँ से काफ़ी पास है और ट्रेन स्टेशन के एक्चुअली बगल में ही है तो किसी बस से हिक्कादुवा इज़ जस्ट लाइक एन आवर. Tell me if there is any bus to Hikkadua. This? How much is the ticket?
Ticket 101 man.
112.
One.
Okay. Good morning. We want to go to Hikkadua. Okay? Okay.
I love the party bus aspect.
I-
The lights.
I was coming to you for that. You always call these buses as party bus.
Yeah. Because they have, sometimes they have like a disco ball hanging and they always play music when driving. And
Yeah.
I love the feeling.
Even in
The vibe.
even in South India we have these kind of buses. Yeah. मतलब कारवार में घूमना चिल तो है ही. आई ऑल्सो लाइक इट बट पता नहीं क्यों मुझे बस में घूमना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. द फैक्ट दैट एक हाइट पे आप आ जाते हो थोड़ी ऊंचाई से आप सारी चीज़ें देखें. अच्छा ये वाली बस की जो टिकट थी ना दैट्स फॉर 194 श्रीलंका. जो इंडिया का 57 कुछ पड़ा. बस से हम उतर गए हैं. सो हिक्कादुआ छोटा सा एक कोस्टल टाउन है. यहाँ पे बेसिकली मैं आई हूँ टर्टल बीच जाने के लिए वेयर आई कैन सी टर्टल्स इवन विदाउट स्विमिंग. यू नो व्हाट आई एन्जॉय द मोस्ट इज़ मतलब ऐसे ही नई नई जगहों पे कुछ नई नई चीज़ें देखना. देखने से भी ज़्यादा वहाँ तक पहुँचना लाइक फाइंडिंग माई वे. बहुत तेज़ धूप है. मैं कैप ला रही थी फिर मैंने छोड़ दी अपनी कैप. Okay guys, so this is Turtle Beach. To be honest, it's quite fun. Beach तो वैसे normal ही है, but you can actually see turtles. तो यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं ना, जो locals हैं ना, वो seaweed लेके आपको देंगे and then turtle seaweed के लालच में समंदर से बाहर निकल जाता है. I feel that's not ethical, इसलिए मैं वो चीज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ. But I saw just see there, they're feeding the turtles and touching the turtle, and this is the view of the beach. So this spot is also very famous for snorkeling and also scuba. Scuba वाला जो point है वो थोड़ा दूर है यहाँ से, but this is mainly for snorkeling. People snorkel here so that they can spot turtles. तो यहाँ पे ना बैठने के लिए you have these beds also. 1100 Sri Lankan rupiah. 1100 is like almost 400, like 380 something. कितने घंटे बैठने देंगे? I don't know. 1 hour?
Yeah.
How much?
1,000.
1 hour, 1000. And these coconuts?
300.
300?
Yes.
Yeah. So I remember trying these orange coconut in Alleppey in Kerala, and then it was थोड़ा तीखा वाला मीठा, मतलब harsh मीठा. Eat and drink? Okay. Please tell me what is the difference between all three coconuts? 300 Sri Lankan rupees. नारियल का पानी लेती हूँ, थोड़ी देर यहाँ बैठ के chill करूँगी. That's all. Turtle मैंने देख लिए दूर से ही, और snorkeling मैं करना नहीं चाहती, actually कर भी नहीं सकती. But for you guys, I totally recommend कि आप गॉल जब भी आओ, you can come to this place. It's just an hour ride in the bus. बस स्टैंड पे जहाँ पे आप उतरोगे वहाँ से is just 5 minutes walk, so you can easily come here and enjoy. बहुत ही ज़्यादा मीठा है, बहुत ज़्यादा. Came here to have breakfast. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे restaurants हैं which is like sea facing. This is avocado sambal toast. So sambal is basically this crushed grated coconut with some spices. I tried this in Colombo as well, so I really liked it. There is a bus to Galle. Buses are frequent, like every half an hour there is a bus. It goes to Galle?
Yeah.
Okay, what time? Now?
40 minutes.
40 minutes?
No.
Okay, now only? Okay. This is a party bus. No, yeah. This is like a proper party bus.
Party bus.
No. Look at this man, all red. Alright guys, a quick change. Actually, I went to my hostel to just get freshened up, took a nice shower, and now I'm headed to another beach destination, Ahangama, and then I will go to Vellingama. वैसे Ahangama और Vellingama काफ़ी popular है, जो भी लोग मिरिसा जाते हैं, या Ahangama in general, it's a very popular destination in Sri Lanka. तो मैं गॉल में ही रुकी हूँ और गॉल से ही I'm doing up down. It's another 45 minutes by bus, so I enjoy bus rides anyway. I reached Ahangama in bus. It took barely like 1 hour. बस का फेयर भी 108 श्रीलंकन रुपया था. आई थिंक 50-60 रुपये ऐसे ही होगा. बस नंबर वो 350. तो आप आराम से गॉल बस स्टैंड पे पूछ के बैठ सकते हो. Okay, now it's lunch time almost. It's 2 p.m. and I want to have lunch. सबसे पहले तो हम एक रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढते हैं अच्छा सा जहाँ I can maybe try some Sri Lankan food. Okay, so ChatGPT has given recommendation of this place. It's called Raja's Rice and Curry. Let's see if we can find something local here. Hi. Where is the restaurant? Here? I'll check. Oh. So let's see if the food is good. Ambience तो मस्त है, vibe बहुत अच्छी है. It's pretty budget restaurant. अभी तक जितने भी रेस्टोरेंट में मैं गई हूँ उसके स्टैंडर्ड में, but the view is good, so we're gonna order something. Guys, the food looks yummy. I had ordered egg curry and rice. This is red rice. I loved it even in Kerala. Egg. This is papaya something, cabbage, papad, dal, and it's a lot. And this view. And this entire thali with this view is just, I guess, 1300 Sri Lankan rupees, which is like half of the breakfast I had this morning at Hikkaduwa. That was very expensive cafe. There's a typical taste to Sri Lankan food, whatever I have eaten so far. And this dal and the rice together, it's so yummy. This is serendipity. The joy of finding something which you were not even looking for. And that's the word which has originated from Sri Lanka. How much are these? Okay, 600. Very cute. Yeah. So all the things here at this store, it's all locally made. So it's a good way to support people. It's just that अभी मैं बहुत कुछ खरीद नहीं सकती हूँ. I still have to travel to another country in 2 days. So luggage का थोड़ा लोचा है. But you guys know how crazy I get for shopping. Yeah, all the cutesy stuff here. This banana date smoothie with coconut milk. So this one is a mix of banana, dates and coconut. But the taste of banana is so dominant. I don't taste coconut at all. And the reason I ordered this was because I could taste coconut. Scam हो गया मेरे साथ. So I came inside the Dutch town once again before leaving. It's amazing, you know. Travel takes me to so many places और हर बार मुझे कहीं भी नई जगह पे जब मैं वापस जाती हूँ ना तो लगता है यार पता नहीं दोबारा यहाँ पे कब आना हो. And today is just hitting me, man. Almost 8 years होने जा रहा है मुझे YouTube करते करते और 8 सालों से मैं सोलो ट्रैवलिंग कर रही हूँ. कितनी प्यारी प्यारी जगहों पे गई हूँ, कितने अच्छे अच्छे लोगों से मिली हूँ. It's just amazing. I have lifetime of memories. But yeah, definitely I will come back to Sri Lanka because this country has so much I have not seen yet. तो कभी जल्दी ही आऊँगी या एक बार जाते जाते ये स्टोर विजिट कर लेते हैं.
वो सफारी
ओके, सो ये स्टोन सारा कहाँ का है?
स्टोन है वो इधर है ना वो श्रीलंका में.
श्रीलंका में ही है.
श्रीलंका में.
So this place is called Lanka Gem and it's on Church Street Road in Galle Town. They have a beautiful collection of all the gemstone authentic ones if you want to check it out. Remember him. Guys, so with this my trip is over and I had an amazing time in Galle. I'm at a cafe right now to have my one last breakfast for this time in Galle. But yeah, what an amazing place, man. मुझे लगता है मैं यहाँ बार बार आना चाहूँगी. मज़ा आया काफ़ी ज़्यादा. बैठ जाती हूँ उधर. एक बार फिर से कहूँगी, when I was planning to come to Galle, a lot of my friends who have been to Sri Lanka and also in general, people were like, what is there in Galle? You will not like it. And with me, this is the thing, you know, when people say you will not like it, I end up liking the place so much. See, I have not seen other parts of Sri Lanka, like major places. But yesterday I went to 3 coastal towns, Ahangama, Hikkaduwa and also Wellingama. लेकिन जो overall vibe थी ना, I feel Galle has the best vibe. If you are somebody who absolutely love the old world charm with lot of aesthetics, history, then Galle is your place. I absolutely loved it. And मेरे पास अगर टाइम होता तो I would have spent even more time at this place. That sunset from Galle Fort was amazing. Overall, I had a great time here in Galle. So I totally recommend whenever you plan your trip to Sri Lanka, आप कहीं भी जाओ, Galle ज़रूर आना. You will love it, I promise you. And with this, I am going to end this series. So if there is anything you want me to talk about, if you guys have any question, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Actually, video shoot करते time, there's so much going on कि मैं भूल जाती हूँ कभी-कभी कुछ points को touch करना. So it's not intentional. But if you have any question, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below and I will try and answer. I had an amazing time in Sri Lanka and I'm hoping to come back to this country again. It's so close by. It's visa free for us. तो मैं कभी भी यहाँ पे आ सकती हूँ. And next time when I come to Sri Lanka, I will explore the north side. This time I was in central Sri Lanka and also in south side. Yeah, amazing time and yeah, like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next episode with new country on board and I'm excited about traveling there. So yeah, I'll see you. Bye.